Hello everyone, you are welcome. Today we want to find the value of x and y from this given nice math algebra problem. X plus y is equal to 6, sy is equal to 6. Can you solve this? If you know you have a better method, kindly put it in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation x plus y is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 1. Then sy is equal to 6. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 6 minus x. Let us call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, xy is equal to 6. Then we can now substitute for y, which is 6 minus x. That is x bracket 6 minus x is equal to 6. Let us open the bracket. X multiplied by 6. 6x minus x multiplied by x. X square is equal to 6. Now this can be written as minus x square plus 6x. If you bring this 6 to this side, it becomes minus 6 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus x squared divided by minus 1, this is x squared, plus 6x divided by minus 1, this is minus 6x, and then minus 6 divided by minus 1, this is plus 6, is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is equal to minus 6, which is the coefficient of x. And then c is equal to 6, which is the constant here. X is equal to minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6 over 2 multiplied by 1. X is equal to minus times minus 6. This is 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared. This is 36 minus then 4 times 1 times 6, that is 24 over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. X is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24, that is 12 over 2. This is same thing as 6 plus or minus square root of 12 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 3 all over 2. S is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2, then root 3 all over 2. S is equal to 6 over 2 plus or minus 2 over 2 root 3. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 3. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 1. X is equal to 3 plus or minus root 3. Therefore, x1 is equal to 3 plus root 3 and then s2 is equal to 3 minus root 3. These are the values of s. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, now from equation 3, y is equal to 6 minus x. Y1 is equal to 6 minus x1 is 3 plus root 3, and y2 is equal to 6 minus s2 is 3 minus root 3. Y1 is equal to 6 minus 3 minus root 3. Y1 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 minus root 3. This is the value of y1. Y2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus root 3. Y2 is equal to 6 minus 3. This is 3 plus root 3. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3. S2, y2 is equal to 3 minus root 3, 3 plus root 3. These are the value of s. You can see that here the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here, and the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. S plus y is equal to 6. Sy is equal to 6. Let us consider this. Then s plus y, this is 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3 must be equal to 6. This root 3 cancel this root 3. Then we have 3 plus 3 must be equal to 6. 3 plus 3, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. Let us consider this. Sy, this is 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 3 minus root 3 must be equal to 6. Then this is 3 times 3, we have 9. 3 multiplied by minus root 3, this is minus 3 root 3 plus root 3 multiplied by 3, this is plus 3 root 3. Then root 3 multiplied by minus root 3, this is minus root 3 square must be equal to 6. Minus 3 root 3 cancel this 3 root 3. Then we have 9 minus this cancel this. 3 must be equal to 6. 9 minus 3, this is 6, is equal to 6, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe and make sure you share. Bye. And I